Okay, so for our first part for exponential functions, I have to show you a graph of the exponential function y equals b to the x power, where b is going to be greater than 1. So I just chose 3 as our b. So our function is y equals 3 to the x power. So we need to make a table for this, which means that we need to pick x values. I picked -2, -1, 0, +1, and +2. And we're going to plug all those into our equation, y equals 3 to the x power, to find their corresponding y values. So our first point, -2 and 1/9, is right here. Our second point, -1 and a third, 0, 1, 1 and 3, and 2 and 9 is right here, way up there. I'm going to draw this really quick. So this is the line that comes from the equation y equals 3 to the x power. Now I have to show you how to find the y-intercept and the asymptote. So let's start with the asymptote just because that one's harder. Our asymptote is the line that the graph of our function is going to gradually come towards, and it's going to get really, really close to it, but it's never going to actually cross it. So in this case, that's our x-axis, because this line is going to keep going closer and closer, but it's never going to cross it. It's just going to stay really, really close to it. So our x-axis is our asymptote, and we're going to write that as y is equal to 0, because y equals 0 is the equation for our x-axis. That's the vertical line on y equals 0. For our y-intercept, that is where the line on the graph intercepts the y-axis. Why is this so hard for me to say? So that is right here, this point, which is 0, +1. And we're just going to write that as a coordinate. So 0, 1.